Joe Enric Beloya, and I'm discussing about the internet. And the internet is a set of information and a software that is free of use for all of us. It connects all of us in one software, because the internet is a mode of communication, and we can transfer information using the internet. The internet is composed of two major components: the World Wide Web and the email. We can communicate using the World Wide Web, since inventions like Facebook Messengers, Yahoo Messengers, and Skype are using the World Wide Web to connect to all of us. And we can also use email in communicating, because email is not old mode of communication by using the internet, but it can communicate because we can send files and large amount of information using the email. The internet, we can search the internet through search engines, and these search engines can help us in searching through our information in the internet. And a search engine helps us to gather information from billions and billions of information in the internet. Since every day we encounter lots of information, then the internet gathers it, because everyone uses the internet nowadays. And examples of search engines are Google, Yahoo, Wikipedia, and Answers.com. And the pros and cons of the search engine, of using search engines, are laziness, maybe, to go to the library. But the best source of information is the library, because the information in the internet comes from the books from the library. And the search engine is an archive of history, because history is written in the internet. That's all. Thank you, and God bless.